You are the guy, yeah? Welcome everybody. Good morning to all of you. Today is a very important day for us. We are having the kick-starting of the kickboxing championship, and you could have no better person than John Abraham as a superstar to be taking this forward as a brand ambassador for this event. Please join me in welcoming John for this thing, and let us be looking forward to some sound bites for him about how the kickboxing session is going to be held. Thank you.
Thank you guys. It's a pleasure being here. I come to the gym every day, so it's a day for me. Congratulations to Zia in collaboration with Gym for hosting this event, and wish all the partners and all the contestants all the best. May they fight to the finish.
Zia will say a few words.
Thank you.
Thank you.
चलो बाय।
पीछे आ जाओ यार। यार एक लाइन में आराम से पीछे आके सभी डिस्टेंस रखो मिलेगा यार।
Yeah. Well, I used to train with Zia. For people who don't know, Zia holds the world record in kickboxing for the past. Wants to start a competition like this in India. Now, this is at a very nascent stage. If you see, things are just about unfolding. But I'm sure next year is going to be even bigger, even better, and the year after that is going to be even bigger. So there's always a beginning, and I think this year is just the beginning. And I thank Gold's Gym and Zia actually, who's very responsible for getting contestants down from so many countries to actually take part in this competition, and it's a hardcore competition.
John, do you enjoy kickboxing?
Yeah, I enjoy watching the UFC. I enjoy kickboxing. I'm often told that it's pretty violent, but I think it's a sport, and I think if you take good care, it's a great sport, and it teaches you a lot of discipline. And people like me who usually do it, we really are not violent people. We're smiling all the time.
But is it the best way to work out as well?
Yeah, I think for cardiovascular activities and for core exercises, core exercises, kickboxing is by far, there's a kickboxing bag around here, it's by far one of the best exercises for training your core.
जो क्लिनिकल के बारे में जानना चाहेंगे कितनी कंट्री से लोग पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे आपका क्या
About 17 countries के confirmation हो चुके हैं यहाँ पे, and there are fighters from Germany, Iran, Holland, all over the world in fact. और अगर आप उनको देखोगे तो it's actually pretty scary because they're real hardcore fighters. और जिस तरीके से हम लोग कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रहे हैं, और अगर आप फाइनल ये कंपटीशन देखोगे, आपको पता चलेगा कि it's a far more serious competition than the way we are presenting it right now. ये बहुत ही serious competition है, and there's a lot of medical care that has to be taken, a lot of logistical work that has to be done. ये बहुत ही अच्छा competition है, और जैसे मैंने इनको कहा कि ये पहला साल है where we're getting the Asian Open Kickboxing Championships to India. शायद next year it will be even bigger and better.
कितने कॉम्पिटिटर्स आप कितना कंट्रीब्यूट करेंगे इसमें क्या?
जी, जिया मेरा ट्रेनर था, ट्रेनिंग पार्टनर था, दोस्त है, भाई जैसा है, और जिया इज अ फैंटास्टिक किक बॉक्सर, और मैं जिया को सपोर्ट करना चाहता हूँ इस वेंचर में, क्योंकि ही इज द ओनली वन इज रियली गेटिंग दिस कॉम्पिटिशन टू द कंट्री. शुरुआत कहीं से तो होना चाहिए, एंड आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल to him to get this competition here.
Will we see you doing kickboxing?
I usually do it, लेकिन हम लोग इसके बारे में बात नहीं करते, but we usually train. Zia's been training me. We've been kicking, breaking things around, but it's good fun.
So can we see today? Are you showing us some?
No, I think it's up to the competitors to show you what they can do. They are far superior and far better.
Are you like kickboxing?
Sorry?
Are you doing kickboxing?
I don't know whether I'm going to go for the event because it's in Pune.
Okay. What goals do you want to play for?
I want to just the event is in Pune, and it's at a point of time where I'm not going to be in the country, at that point. But if I'm here, I'll go and I'll support Zia in Pune. Gold's Gym has given this event a great platform. Thank you. And it's important that we have partners like Gold's Gym, because if you don't get a good platform, this event can't be really televised. And thank you, the media, for really coming and supporting this, because kickboxing should be big. You know, I think it's a great event to for kids to take part in.
जॉन बॉलीवुड में किसकी बॉडी पसंद है? What do you think about kickboxing?
Well, I think by far Akshay Kumar. I think there's no two ways about it. अगर आप फिट की बात कर रहे हो, अगर आप बॉडी की बात कर रहे हो, अगर आप फिटनेस, किक बॉक्सिंग, हर चीज़ की बात कर रहे हो, I think there is it's only Akshay Kumar.
वैसे आपके फेवरेट बॉक्सर कौन है?
Unanimously Muhammad Ali. अगर आपने उनका किताब पढ़ा होगा, Ali, it's so inspirational and it's just a great read.
Do we also see you trying your hand at kickboxing today?
No, I would love to, but as instructor, I'd leave that to Zia and his competitors, and we'll maintain the sanctity of the sport and let's not destroy it by big kickboxing.
जॉन, आमिर ने कहा है कि एक गाना तभी हिट होता है जब उसमें कोई बड़ा एक्टर होता है, लिरिसिस्ट उतना
I'm
ज्यादा
not going
कमाल
into
नहीं।
talk about this.
वैसे आप क्या मानते हैं कि एक्टर की वजह से गाना हिट होता है?
Anything else on kickboxing?
अच्छा, होली की बताइए कि होली कैसे मनानी चाहिए?
Kickboxing.
Kickboxing
Okay,
specially.
so just
Kickboxing.
Only kickboxing.
Yeah, just ask questions because I'll tell you why. क्योंकि इतनी मेहनत से इन लोग ने ये कंपटीशन तैयार किया है और इन्हें रिस्पेक्ट दीजिए. होली के बारे में बाद में बात करेंगे ना?
Just a wish.
हाँ? Oh yeah, of course. Wishing all the viewers a very happy Holi, and may you mess yourself up in all those colors. It's awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
One feedback we give it is, John, here in all the cities in Gold Gym, we'll be having kickboxing as a fitness
Oh,
regime.
that's great. That's great.
That's going to be
Gold Gym
something
can
which we are
support
doing it.
Thank
Gold
you.
Gym is there in 32 cities, 59 centers. We are going for 100 centers, and in about 50 cities. So let me assure you, Gold Gym will be having kickboxing as a sport in the country. That's our
Awesome.
assurance.
Thank you for coming in. Thank you for really supporting this event.
Okay, more. Okay, that's better.
Thank you.
That's better. Thank you. Very good. Conference.